Yep.
He tries to fool himself. No, don't click there.
Alright, pull it off.
Alright.
Slide it back. You
Because this is hilarious.
Try it now.
Pull it off. Forward.
See where neutral is.
Right there.
And we got worse. Alright, so, alright, pull it off. I got
Alright, pull it off. You can hear him pull it off. I got an idea.
I wonder how many views we're going to get on this on YouTube. And how many comments there's going to be on it.
I'm just making
Try
it
it now. Is
back
it
off.
still neutral?
Well, no, you said this wasn't neutral a while ago.
No, it's good.
There's some variation of these.
Fine, you're off with you.
And that's reverse. I don't know what it is.
No, that's forward there.
That's forward. Alright, pull it off, Joe.
Alright.
I'll put it back.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take your phone and I'm gonna throw it in the pond.
Go.
Alright, pull it off.
Right.
You know, they're trying anything that makes sense. Alright, put it back. What are you in now?
Forward.
What about now?
Forward. Forward. Uh-oh.
Put it in. See, we close. Close.
Just go with close.
Uh-oh.
Every time we get close, we go backwards.
Is that neutral there? Right there? Yep. Close. So, what you got now?
Forward.
What happened to our neutral? We had a minute ago right in there. Don't make no sense.
I know.
It doesn't make any sense. It's like it's there and then you shift and then it's gone. What you got now, Nick? Go over and help him, Nick.
It's reverse now, right?
No.
No, it's forward.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, pull it back off, Joe.
Right.
You get into that, buddy.
Right there.
Must be it because we can't get it. Get on there! Getting wore out.
I had an answer.
Alright, well, slide it back again. And then, there, you slide it back.
This book is
Now put it-
worthless, Dave.
There you go. You got neutral now?
Nope.
Oh, man, but it's close, ain't it? Right.
Pull it off?
Yeah, pull it off, Joe.
Alright.
It looks like you're getting excited.
Alright, now slide it back.
Alright.
What you got, Nick?
What do you want?
Forward.
Forward. You got it. I'm just
We
going to tell
ain't
you.
having much trouble with forward, are we?
No. Still forward.
See, that makes, now we've done got it so far out of whack.
Good job, Joe.
Pull it off?
Slide it back.
Alright.
We're going back to the original method that
This is
worked.
going on YouTube. You know it, right?
It did?
You know it? You know
How did
it
that work?
with your granny fingernail
That
polish.
never worked.
Do it.
So you can turn this thing on.
That granny fingernail polish.
What you got now?
Look,
You're
see
an
this?
ass.
There's that slight,
Why?
slight little bit
What?
of time in there
You're an
where it goes to neutral
Why?
and you keep turning and it goes back and forward. I think that's where we've got to stop
Where you at now?
because this is neutral.
You sure?
And then now it's forward. And now it's neutral. Now it's forward. Now it's neutral. Forward.
See, what you
Neutral.
don't realize, watch this, Joe. Watch it, look here.
What are you doing?
Now turn it, dude.
Yep.
Now watch. See how it jumps back? When you say I'm doing
Oh,
it,
it's at grease.
All right.
see how it jumps back? You're doing it. See, when you turn that, it'll switch it
All
back.
right, we'll put it there. All right, and then don't turn it. Put
Where
it in
you
there.
at now?
All right, I don't want to turn it.
Where you at?
Forward.
Okay.
There's neutral. Can you let go of it without it
See,
jumping
it ain't
back?
really going in neutral.
Do you really need neutral?
No, we
No.
need something other than forward.
I had a 58
Right there.
Mercury with 85 horsepower. When it
How's
come
this
out,
gonna
it
look for
was-
his buyers?
there was no neutral.
And they see it on YouTube.
Then he don't know how to work on a boat motor? All he's got to know is how to fish. He doesn't need to
Because
know
the
how
title on it's gonna be Ohio
See,
Valley
that's
Caviar.
neutral there, still. That's the real neutral there. The real one.
Do we want to not fuck with it, maybe?
Well, look, let's go to. Well, it won't work. Every time we try it, it won't work. So let's go to forward. Let me turn it one click. Now that should be in forward right there.
It is.
Okay, now this is in forward.
This is the
That's in forward, so it ought to work if you put it on right.
That shaft's messed up.
Let me
Yeah, but
bump
see,
it
this is-
in
Yeah,
gear.
see
No,
that.
you can turn that to gear there. And turn the engine.
All right, there it is.
All right, are you in forward still?
I need it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. We're gonna have a birthday. I mean, a cake celebration, cake and ice cream. Are you ready? Here we go. There's neutral. Yes.
Want me to take it off?
Is it neutral now?
Hell no. If I say yeah, can we both it and go on to the house?
Look at that.
There's neutral. All right, well, there's neutral right
Yeah,
there.
there is neutral. We'll see
Yep, we got a neutral.
Where is that supposed to be?
Slide it back, Joe.
What would that be?
All right, so see if that's neutral.
And that's neutral. This isn't neutral, but you slide it off. I'll put this in neutral. And then you slide it back.
Careful. Don't move anything.
Is it still neutral, Nick?
Yep.
Nope.
Because it was held in the bind. See, when you pulled it off, it let it pop back in gear. That's what it was.
Damn, Joe.
So we're in forward gear now. Slide it forward when it's fixed. What? There it is. It's fixed, boys. It's in forward gear.
It is.
There it is.
Magic.
All right.
Is this your magic?
Oh! Try it. Try it now, Nick.
We done lost neutral altogether now.
Are you recording too?
No, I
You have it for a second.
You better watch, you're gonna get grease. See, you're gonna get grease on you.
Clicking.
All right, slide it off, Joe.
All right.
I ain't touching. No, you buddy.
You hear it click? I bet
Yeah.
it's in gear now. See, it went back in gear. It's in a bind.
All right. Just tell me what to
You
do.
in forward now?
Yep.
All right. Slide it back there.
I'm
You
gonna
already did?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get carpet on it.
No neutral?
Right there.
Neutral?
We just
Okay.
bolt it now and
Slide
it's
it
done.
off, see if it clicks when you slide it off.
Are you recording?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
I bet it's in gear now. Yep. All right, now hang on a minute.
We are here today with the Podbelly Stallions,
Try it right now.
trying to
Still in gear.
Yep.
Still in.
trying to get
Oh,
the
neutral.
See,
low,
we're real close this time.
Yeah.
This was
Trying
the
to-
right idea.
trying to get this lower
Now,
unit
what
on
do we
and
do here?
in the right
You
gear.
had it neutral.
I pulled it off.
Oh,
But they
pull
can't
off
do
and
it.
See if it clicks in gear again.
What do you think about that,
Who are you talking
It's
to,
in gear.
weirdo?
brother
Bailey, go on.
Eduardo? What do you think about that? Yeah, they
Still in gear.
out here trying to put this lower unit on, dog. They can't even get this shit on right. You know what I'm saying?
Boy.
And
All right, try it again. Try it again.
yeah,
Maybe you wanna go
I can't
farther
even
down.
get that shit lined up right. You know what I'm saying?
It clicked
We got
again.
Jess right there spectating.
Right there is where you want. I don't know about going all the way. Try it.
Yeah, get it up. Yeah, I getting it up on there now. Yeah. Oh yeah. They don't know what they're doing.
Right there.
Boy, that is so close.
Go back to where it was, where it clicks. Go on back. Yep. See if you got reverse. Go all the way to reverse.
It's in a bind. It'll only paint, you know. So, what are you in now?